Yep, sanibonani guys, ezibuhlungu azipheli for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Nabi and Kaizer Chiefs are set to part way on a mutual agreement. Mutual agreement. Nabi uthi umfazi wakhe uyagula since bekangekho makucala iligi. I think umfazi wakhe is having high time. Uhlakaniphile. Mina I think uNabi uGrand uhlakaniphile. uNabi azange afeyile eSouth Africa. uNabi uwine i-Nedbank Cup nge-first season yakhe eSouth Africa. You know a good coach yenzani? Iliva istage kusasemnandi ayihambi ngoba sebayamxosha. Yabo. Hamba istage sisasemnandi and ngikhumbule bafethu ngikhumbule ne coach yini ucoach we-Pirates uJose Riveros makahamba wathi umfazi wakhe uyagula. 4 days later wa-appear-a ku-Al Ahly. Yes. Namanje i-Al Ahly ayina-coach. I think uNabi uyojoyina i-Al Ahly. Ayikho le ndaba ukuthi umfazi uyagula wara.